Emma, you look thoughtful today. What is on your mind?
Oh, I was just thinking about the story we read. It made me wonder about things.
You've made good progress today. Try reading the next sentence for me.
I understand English, but I cannot speak it.
That is very common, Emma. Many students feel the same way.
Really? I can watch videos and understand everything clearly.
Thumbling.
But when I try to speak, my mind becomes empty. It's okay, Emma. We can work on that.
Understanding and speaking are different skills, Emma. Listening is passive, but speaking is active.
Oh, I see. What does that mean, teacher?
Let me show you what it means. When you listen, your brain only recognizes words.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
But when you speak, your brain must create sentences.
Oh, I understand.
Speaking can actually strengthen the neural pathways in your brain.
So my brain works harder when I speak?
Exactly, Emma. It makes those connections stronger. Yes, Emma. Speaking requires faster thinking and confidence.
Sometimes I know the words, but I cannot say them.
I understand, Emma. That happens because your speaking muscle needs training. You just have to practice your speaking muscle.
Speaking muscle, what does that mean?
It's like a real muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Speaking is like a muscle that grows with practice.
Okay. I practice listening every day.
That's wonderful, Emma. Keep up the great work. Listening builds understanding, but speaking builds fluency.
That's right. I am afraid to make mistakes.
It's okay, Emma. We learn from mistakes here. Give it a try. Fear can block your speaking ability, Emma. But you are brave. Take a breath and try again.
Okay. When I feel nervous, my mind becomes slow.
It's okay, Emma. We can work through it together. Nervousness makes your brain freeze for a moment. You know, sometimes it feels like a big challenge.
That is exactly what happens to me. Sako.
Around there? Your problem is not knowledge, it is confidence.
How can I improve my speaking confidence?
Well, Emma, let's work on some simple techniques together. Emma, you must practice speaking every single day.
Okay, I will.
I practice in my head, but not out loud. Thinking silently is not enough for speaking growth. You need to practice out loud.
Okay.
You'll do great.
But I feel shy speaking in front of others.
I know. Just take a deep breath. You stay. Start by speaking alone in a quiet room.
Hello, I am ready to share my story now.
You got this, Emma. Try speaking it out loud.
Should I talk to myself in English?
Yes, Emma. Talking to yourself builds confidence safely.
Yeah, it does. How many minutes should I practice daily?
Well, just enough to learn and feel good about it. Even 5 minutes daily will improve your speaking gradually. You're doing great, Emma. What's on your mind?
Sometimes I overthink grammar before speaking.
I understand. We can work on that together. Stop chasing perfect grammar while speaking. Focus on connecting, not correcting yourself. You got it. Start with basic sentence structure.
So I should speak simple sentences first?
Yes, that's correct. Yes, simple sentences build speed and confidence. August.
I want to speak faster naturally.
We can work on that together, Emma. Speed comes after comfort, not before. Nervous feelings decrease with repetition and practice.
Don't worry, Emma. Just try your best. But what if people judge my pronunciation? It's okay. We are here to support you.
Most people care more about communication than pronunciation.
Yeah. Oh, that makes me feel a little more relaxed.
I'm glad it does. Remember, Emma, understanding means your foundation is strong.
Right, teacher. Sabota.
So I am not bad at English? Not at all, Emma. You're doing wonderfully. Buenos go. You are not bad. You are developing.
Yeah.
Show us, Tosling.
I want to train my speaking muscle properly.
That's wonderful. Let's practice together.
You see the more.
Practice speaking slowly and clearly every day.
Okay, I will. Should I repeat sentences from videos aloud?
Yes, that's a great strategy, Emma. Yes, Emma. Repeating aloud strengthens memory and fluency.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed hearing my own voice. Oh, Emma, you have a beautiful voice. It just needs a little practice.
Powers, man, Tornewendardo. That embarrassment disappears with regular exposure.
I think I need more courage.
That's a brave thing to say. Perhaps you already have it.
Yeah.
Courage grows each time you speak, despite fear. You can do it, Emma.
I will try speaking more from today.
That's wonderful. Do not wait until you feel ready. You can do it, Emma. Just take a deep breath.
Okay. I will start speaking even if I feel nervous.
That decision will change your English journey.
I feel hopeful after this conversation.
I'm glad to hear that, Emma. You're very capable. You already understand English well. You've done really well today.
I know, but I just need more speaking practice.
And you'll get it. Exactly, Emma. Input builds knowledge. Output builds fluency. You can do anything, Emma. Just keep practicing.
Thank you. I will practice speaking every single day.
That's wonderful. If you understand English, start speaking today without fear.
Thanks, everyone. Please like and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe. Thank you.